Hello friends, we have a GE stove. The customer's complaint is the top is not working but the inside of the oven is working. When this happens, if you turn it on and nothing is working, what you can do is run a self-clean for 30 seconds. When the door locks, and unlocks it back again after you cancel it. So keep eye on the display, it's gonna lock it, you will see locked, and then you will not be able to open the door. That's how you know that the unit is on self-clean. And then after that, cancel it back again and wait until it unlocks the door. It's unlocked, and now you can try your stovetop again. I'm gonna turn on all of it just to make sure. Here we go. It's working. This was a quick reset. Thank you.